Having trouble finding a dependable and budget-friendly ride? We've got you covered. This video will show you 20 cars that won't empty your wallet but will keep you looking good on the road. Let's begin. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord stands out for its dependability, drawing in buyers who watch their wallets. Its roomy interior gives plenty of space for people and stuff, making trips comfy. The Accord sips fuel well, getting about 12 to 14 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel in city driving and up to 38 miles per gallon on highways. Used models cost between $5,000 and $7,000, giving you a lot for your money. This mix of dependability, space, and good fuel use puts the Honda Accord at the top of the list for folks looking for a cheap and trustworthy car. Nissan Micra. The Nissan Micra stands out as a compact and affordable car, making it a top pick for buyers watching their budgets. It's known to have great gas mileage, with the Micra getting about 40 to 53 miles per gallon based on the model and how you drive. Its small size works well for driving in the city and finding parking spots, but it still has a comfy inside. Used models cost between $4,000 and $6,000, giving you good bang for your buck. People often choose the Micra because it's dependable and cheap to run, which appeals to those who want a car that's both cost-effective and efficient. Toyota Corolla. People praise the Toyota Corolla for how long it lasts, often running up to 300,000 miles if you take good care of it. It doesn't cost much to keep up, which makes it a smart buy for folks watching their wallet. The Corolla's dependability comes from its solid build and good quality parts. You can find used ones for $5,000 to $7,000, which is a great deal. Because it lasts so long and doesn't break the bank, the Toyota Corolla stands out for anyone who wants a car they can count on without spending too much. Chevrolet Spark. The Chevrolet Spark fits well in cities due to its compact size, which helps it navigate tight spots. Its 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine runs, getting about 30 miles per gallon in city driving and 38 miles per gallon on highways. Used models cost between $3,000 and $5,000, making it a good deal for people watching their budget. The Spark's small size and low price make it a good pick for new drivers or folks who need a thrifty city car. It also comes with up-to-date features like a touchscreen for the entertainment system and new safety tech. Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevrolet Malibu is a roomy and cozy mid-size sedan, which makes it a great fit for families. Its big interior gives plenty of leg and headspace for everyone, so you can count on a nice ride. The Malibu's smooth suspension makes the trip more comfortable, and its easy-to-use entertainment system keeps everyone happy. You can find used models priced between $4,000 and $6,000, which is a good deal for those watching their wallet. Because it brings together space, comfort, and a good price, the Chevrolet Malibu stands out as a top choice for drivers with families. Ford Figo. The Ford Figo has a good track record, thanks to its strong engine choices, such as a 1.2-liter TIVCT petrol engine and a 1.5-liter TDCi diesel engine. Inside, you'll find plenty of leg space, comfy seats, and up-to-date features like a touchscreen for music and navigation. The Figo handles well on the road, with a well-adjusted suspension that smooths out bumps for a nice ride. You can find used models priced between $3,000 and $5,000, which gives you a lot for your money. This mix of power, comfort, and good pricing makes the Ford Figo a smart pick for people watching their budget. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry stands out for its dependability and coziness, which makes it a go-to option for folks looking for a classy yet budget-friendly car. Its roomy inside and smooth drive give drivers a top-notch experience. The Camry sips gas well, getting 28 to 39 miles per gallon, based on the year it was made. Used models cost between $5,000 and $7,000, giving buyers a lot for their money. This mix of dependability, coziness, and affordability puts the Toyota Camry at the top of the list for penny-pinching buyers. Honda Civic. People praise the Honda Civic for its dependability, as it often runs for more than 200,000 miles when owners take good care of it. It sips gas, getting about 30 to 36 miles per gallon, which saves money for folks who drive a lot every day. The Civic also doesn't cost much to keep up, with yearly bills lower than many other cars. You can find used ones for $4,000 to $6,000, which is a great deal. This mix of dependability, good gas mileage, and cheap upkeep makes the Honda Civic a top choice for people watching their wallet. Kia Sonet. The Kia Sonet, a compact SUV, combines good features with great fuel economy. It offers several engine choices: a 1.2-liter petrol, a 1.0-liter turbo petrol, and a 1.5-liter diesel. These engines give 18.2 to 22.3 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel, based on the model. The Sonet comes with up-to-date features, like a touchscreen infotainment system, cutting-edge safety tech, and a cozy interior. Used models cost between $5,000 and $7,000, giving buyers a lot for their money. This mix of features, fuel savings, and fair pricing makes the Kia Sonet a hit with cost-conscious shoppers. Volkswagen Polo. The Volkswagen Polo stands out as a good-looking and dependable small car known to sip fuel. It comes with different engine choices, like a 1.0-liter TSI gas engine that can go up to 67.3 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, the Polo is well made, giving riders a cozy and roomy feel. You can find used ones priced from $4,000 to $6,000, which is a good deal. People watching their wallets often pick the Volkswagen Polo because it looks nice, lasts long, and doesn't guzzle gas. Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage gives you a cheap and gas-saving compact car, making it a smart pick for folks watching their wallet. It gets 16 to 23 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel based on how you drive. The Mirage's small size helps you squeeze into tight spots in the city, but still has enough room inside to keep passengers comfy. You can find used ones for $3,000 to $5,000, which is a great deal. Because it's cheap, saves gas, and fits in small spaces, many people looking to save money choose the Mitsubishi Mirage. Subaru Impreza. The Subaru Impreza stands out as a trustworthy and cost-effective compact car. It has a standard all-wheel drive system, which gives it a strong grip and balance in different driving situations. Its solid construction and top-notch engineering mean it lasts a long time, making it a smart pick for people watching their budget. The Impreza does well on gas, getting about 28 to 34 miles per gallon based on the year it was made. You can find used models priced between $4,000 and $6,000, which gives you good bang for your buck. This mix of dependability, all-wheel drive, and low cost makes the Subaru Impreza a top choice for folks looking for a car that can do it all without breaking the bank. Ford Fiesta. The Ford Fiesta stands out as a compact car that's fun to drive, known for its nimble handling and sporty feel. It boasts impressive fuel economy, averaging 11 to 14 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel, which makes it a cost-effective option for daily drives. You'll find the Fiesta easy to navigate in city settings, thanks to its small size and quick steering. Used models cost between $3,000 and $5,000, offering good bang for your buck. This mix of an enjoyable driving experience, good gas mileage, and reasonable price tag has made the Ford Fiesta a hit among buyers watching their wallets. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 stands out as a good-looking and dependable compact car that sips fuel. You can pick from several engines, including a 2.0-liter gas engine that gets up to 55 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, the Mazda 3 looks great and gives riders plenty of room to stretch out. Used models cost between $4,000 and $6,000, making them a smart buy. People on a budget often go for the Mazda 3 because it looks good, runs well, and doesn't guzzle gas. Chevrolet Cruze. The Chevrolet Cruze gives comfort and saves fuel, making it a smart buy for people watching their wallets. You can pick from different engines, like a 1.4-liter turbo that gets up to 38 miles per gallon on highways. Inside, the Cruze feels roomy and cozy for everyone. Used ones cost between $4,000 and $6,000, so you get a lot for your money. People who want to save cash often go for the Chevrolet Cruze because it's comfy, doesn't guzzle gas, and won't break the bank. Suzuki Swift. The Suzuki Swift stands out as a small and gas-saving hatchback, which makes it a smart pick for people watching their wallet. It gives you 12 to 18 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel based on how you drive. Because of its small size, the Swift is a breeze to park and drive in cities, but it still has enough room inside to keep riders comfy. You can find used ones for $3,000 to $5,000, which is a real bargain. People looking to save money often go for the Suzuki Swift because it's cheap to buy, doesn't use much gas, and is small enough to fit anywhere. Renault Kwid. The Renault Kwid stands out as a budget-friendly and small hatchback, making it a smart pick for cost-conscious shoppers. It boasts remarkable gas mileage, reaching 20 to 25 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel, based on how you drive. The Kwid's small frame and high ground clearance suited well for city driving and squeezing through tight spots. With prices ranging from $3,000 to $5,000 for pre-owned models, it offers good bang for your buck. This mix of low cost, great gas mileage, and compact build makes the Renault Kwid a hit among folks looking for a thrifty ride. Kia Rio. The Kia Rio stands out as a dependable and fuel-saving small car, which makes it a smart pick for people watching their budget. It gives you 14 to 17 kilometers on 1 liter of fuel, based on how you drive. The Rio's small size and coziness inside make it perfect for city driving and long trips to work. Used models cost between $4,000 and $6,000, offering good value for your money. This mix of dependability, fuel saving, and low cost makes the Kia Rio a top choice for folks looking to buy a car that won't break the bank. Fiat 500. The Fiat 500 catches eyes with its retro look and up-to-date features. This small car packs a punch when it comes to saving fuel, getting about 53.3 miles per gallon in the city and up to 60.1 miles per gallon on highways. Its compact size fits city life like a glove, but don't worry, passengers still have room to stretch out inside. You can pick up a used Fiat 500 for $3,000 to $5,000, making it a smart buy. People watching their wallets love this car because it looks good, sips gas, and doesn't break the bank. Honda Fit. The Honda Fit stands out as a trustworthy and roomy subcompact car recognized for its remarkable gas mileage. It boasts fuel consumption of about 31 to 34 miles per gallon, which makes it a cost-effective pick for everyday travel. The Fit's interior features a smart layout offering plenty of storage room and cozy seats for up to 5 people. With prices ranging from $4,000 to $6,000 for pre-owned models, it gives you good bang for your buck. This mix of dependability, space, and gas efficiency has an influence on the Honda Fit's popularity among shoppers looking to save money. I hope this list of the 20 cheapest cars to buy when you're broke came in handy. These cars are dependable, budget-friendly, and give you great bang for your buck. Keep in mind, you should do your homework and think about what you need before you buy. If you liked this video, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to see more stuff like this. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.